I'm in the field, gun in my waist. Trust me, my nigga, I'm ready to go. Really, I'm chillin', I move like a boss. Holding that 30, I go to the tip. I'm in my bag, out of the way. If it ain't about money, get out of my face. Big old bullets come out of the K. Mopar geek, stay out of my lane. Life is a trip.
What's the deal, YouTube? This your boy Car Geek, me coming at you with another banger video. And today, what I got in store for you guys, so this is mainly gonna be like, you know, mostly of a vlog slash like install video. So y'all see we got the vet right there. So first, before we even like get anything started, the vet is super dirty, and you know I gotta take it to get cleaned up. So I'm gonna hit y'all with a cold start, and it's gonna be super loud, so just be ready for it. Like I said, let me actually come over here because that is super loud. But like I said, this video will be more of like a vlog slash install, because I am going to be installing my brand new AFE cold air intake. And you know, I wanted to do it tomorrow because y'all see it's kind of cold. You know, we still got snow out, and you know, Minnesota, we trying to break into that, you know, that pre-spring, but it's just kind of weird. But like I said, we is about to go take the vet up, go wash the vet down, and then tomorrow we gonna jump into the install so y'all can see the vet and how it's gonna sound, because I know it's gonna sound way more better, and hopefully it can pull a little bit more faster. But like I said, just stay tuned for that, and let's go wash up the vet. Literally pulled up to the car wash, and I realized that I did not have towels, so I literally got to come in here, buy some towels, and I don't know, get this thing back to shining and sparkling. So I don't know, let's get to it. Woo! Got my baby looking back like a brand new car. Looking good now. I don't know what she looked like at first. Almost disclaimed her. She looking good now. Sleeping Beauty. This blue look amazing, I ain't gonna lie. If y'all is open to getting a C7, I think red, blue, or white. I mean, black ones look tough too, but it's black. Everybody, you know, everybody had a black car. Well, not everybody, but you know, black just a regular color. So is white too, you know. But white on the C7 look amazing. But this blue, oh my God. I don't know. Let me hit y'all. Let me start this thing up. Let me start this thing. Woo! That thing sounds crazy. Boy, I'm about to tell you. Let me get in this car, man. That thing sounds crazy. Woo! This is a new day type beat, so y'all can see, you know, it's kind of decent, you know, the weather kind of cool, but we is about to go ahead and install the cold air intake on the vet right here. So I'm gonna hit y'all with a cold start, and just know it's gonna be super duper loud, and just bear with me. You know, we're just gonna move the vet right here, like where I'm standing at, because it's like super dark in the garage, and then it'll just be like hard for me to like just record in general. So yeah. So we moved the vet right here. So we already popped the hood. Y'all can see the trunk is open. Gonna get the intake, and then we're just gonna do a little install. And I know it's gonna be hard for me to install it, so I'm gonna have to try to find a way to like fix the camera so like y'all can see it, or I would just show y'all like step by step what to do, and then I'm gonna just take it off like that. Actually, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So be sure, if you is new, be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you'll never miss a banger, and let's put this cold air intake on. Alright, so first thing first, what we do need to do is we need to get this thing right here removed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that removed. I think you need, I think it's a 7mm bolt. I mean, I think you need a 7mm. So I don't know. Let me figure it out. Alright, so we got that part off. Now what we gotta do is like disconnect this. Well, not this. We gotta disconnect. We gotta disconnect this part right here. We gotta disconnect this right here, and then we gotta unscrew this. So like I said, we is gonna be doing this step by step, but I'm gonna start off by taking those off. And you know, Corvette owner, only thing you gotta do is just push this back because it's a clip. So you just push it back. See, I pushed it back on. Just push it back and just pull it up. That's all you gotta do. Alright, so fun fact, so these will be like on the stock intake right here, this right here. Only thing you gotta do is press down on this gray part right here and just pull it up. That's all you gotta do. Nothing too spectacular in it. I think it is too, because I pulled this one up right here and then I pulled this one up right here. So yeah. Alright, so next up we gotta do is we gotta unloosen this. So right here it is, my hand's like pretty fat, but it is a 10mm bolt that you will need. You know, unscrew that, and it is one on this side as well. So you want to unloosen that. So that's exactly what we about to get doing now. Alright, so next what we need to do, we need to unloosen this right here so we can get the whole thing to come off, because I already took out the 10mm bolts for the intake itself, or the intake box itself. So we unloosen that, and maybe, well, not maybe, everything should come out. And lastly, I forgot, you do need to disconnect this as well. Alright, so we got it out, man. It was a bit of a struggle, but I also know that you do need, and when you do take it out, you need to take these out. And I did drop one of the bolts, so I'm gonna have to find that. But hey, man, we did get it out. So now we about to put the AFE in, and I don't know, hopefully everything goes smooth and I can find that bolt. Alright, so we did get it in here. I didn't put the bolts in yet, but I just, you know, fit it in there, and it is like actually a perfect fit. But like and we did manage to find the bolt. It was all the way down there, but like get it in there, and then I need to put the bolts in. So just stay tuned for that. So next, what you want to do is, you know, I already kind of halfway put it on, but it's like a band. You want to take this band and put it over the throttle body and tighten it up, and then take the other end of the band, and it's going to be like another tightener. You tighten it up and you attach this right here. Alright, so we did get this on there. So what you need to do, remember we took this off earlier, you just want to put it back on there, and make sure you hear it click. When you hear it click, then that's how you know it's on there tight. And then this one right here as well, you want to make sure you click that on there and it's on there tight. Alright, so this is a new day, so my camera ended up dying, but I did ended up getting the cold air intake put on. Show y'all from this side. So we did end up getting the AFE put on, and we is about to do, so if you is new, be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you'll never miss a banger. And this is my C7. Beautiful, it's amazing. I don't know, y'all think I should wrap it? I was thinking about a wrap, but I don't know, I feel like I just got the car and I gotta enjoy the colors, so I ain't gonna worry about a wrap. But you know, it was in the works, I was thinking about it, but I ain't gonna go too far in depth. But just know, if I do end up wrapping it, it's gonna be a totally different color, and it's not gonna be half. I'm not doing that no more. I don't know, it's gonna be crazy though, so just stay tuned for that. Alright, so we is going to end the video off here. If you is new, be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you'll never miss a banger. And honestly, personally, I feel like the intake, it make the car sound better. It keep the intake temps down. But other than that, I don't know if it's really a big difference to get in the cold air intake, unless you like the way it looks. Like, I don't know, personally, that's what I think. Maybe like, you know, when you get like a retune and like a throttle body and all of that stuff, the intake might, you know, respond better to like gains and all of that. But I don't know. But let me know what y'all think in the comments. So comment down below, let me know what y'all think in the comments. And another thing, just be sure to be on the lookout for the next video, because trust me, you're not gonna want to miss it. Just know I ordered some, I got something shipped off, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. So be tuned for that, and We'll catch y'all on the next one.